Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Dian Gunawan. I'm from PAI Second D. Tell the life of an Indonesian student in Cairo. The man named Fahri bin Abdullah Siddiq. Fahri is pursuing his master degree at Al-Azhar. This man is known as a friendly, politic, and kind person. No wonder Fahri can be close to people from various circles and is very loved by his teacher. But what Fahri never realized, it turned out that the woman who were nearly had fallen in love with him, starting from Maria, Nurul, and Nora. Until one day, the teacher said Fahri was ready to get married, then offered him to do ta'aruf. At first, Fahri laughed that he was not worthy because he did not have a permanent job until he came from a simple family. But thanks to the support of his friend, Fahri finally agreed to do ta'aruf with the girl chosen by his teacher. When they meet, Fahri is stunned because the woman is Aisyah, a brave woman who attracts his heart. Their marriage can be said to be happy, but the difference in the way they behave and the way they look at it turns out to be a bit of a problem. But another disaster came when Nurul's family asked him to marry his daughter, until Fahri was accused of raping Noura until she became pregnant. The ballad of Fahri and Aisyah household is getting more volatile, especially now that Aisyah is starting to doubt her husband. The slander conveyed by Nora and her witness can be said to be very strong and flawless. The witness made Fahri condition even worse as a defense, and the opportunity to be released was running low. This time, Aisyah was really confused and thought it turned out that she really didn't know the man she had been married to for a month. But thanks to the support of Fahri friends, Aisyah trusts her husband and fight for justice. Even Aisyah desperately tries to find Maria's whereabouts in order to free her husband. Until through Maria's diary, Aisyah understands how her husband's character is and how much Maria loves her husband. Having no other way, Aisyah tries to convince her husband to record her voice for Maria. It was painful and sad, but Aisyah didn't want to let go of her only chance to free her child's father, until a difficult choice must be made to help her husband. Cast character 1. Fahri is intelligent and sympathetic. 2. Aisyah is smart, beautiful, and rich. 3. Maria is insecure. And 4. Nurul is intelligent, calm, and confident. Naura is evil and ambitious. Message in the movie: relationship problems with the opposite sex. The main character, Fahri, has warned and taught me how a Muslim should behave toward the positive sex who is not his muhrim. For a young man of my age, this is the most difficult thing to do. Someone who is used to taking C is in a positive improvement. God willing, it will now be difficult to live various immoralities. 2. About sincerity. Sincere means doing everything with a motive only because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. A sincere person will never waver in his step and will not worry about everything that happens to him. Sincere people do not depend on and get carried away by the influence of the surrounding environment. And 3. About polygamy. The story told in the film Ayat-Ayat Cinta confirm my understanding that polygamy is not forbidden, but it can also be done arbitrarily if someone does not agree with or even forbids polygamy. It means that he has challenged God's command, which clearly does not forbid polygamy. However, if someone arbitrarily practices polygamy, then he has made polygamy a worldly business or a matter of biological needs that must be continuously fulfilled. Thank you. Maybe that's all I can say. More or less, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.